How to solve operations with fractions. You will learn the steps necessary to solve fractions with a combination of addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Simplify the following. 5 3/5 minus 3½ times 2/3, all divided by 2 1/3. Do the multiplication before the subtraction. So we do the multiplication side of the problem before the subtraction side, as we know in arithmetic operations. Convert mixed number to improper fraction. 3½ is equal to 2 times 3 plus 1. 2, 3, 6 plus 1 equals 7 over 2. Now we are going to cancel the fractions. 7 over 2 times 2 over 3. 2 into 2 equals 1. 2 into 2 equals 1. So that is cancelled. Then we are left with 7 times 1. 7 over 1 times 1 over 3. We now multiply. 7 times 1. 7 times 1 here equals 7. 1 times 3 equals 3. And we convert to mixed number. 7 over 3 is equal to 7 divided by 3, which is 2, 1 remainder over 3. Subtract from 5 3/5. 5 3/5 minus 2 1/3. So the 5 3/5 was in the original fraction right here. 5 3/5 minus is here, so we have converted that now. So subtract the whole numbers. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now we have 3/5 and 1/3 to solve. Find the lowest common multiple. LCM of 5 and 3 equals 15. Find the numerators. 5 into 15 goes 3 times. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 into 15 goes 5 times. 5 1 5. So we have 9 minus 5 over 15. So we subtract 9 minus 5 equals 4 over 15. So now we add 3 to the 4 15s, and that would be equal to 3 and 4 15s. Now we divide, because we had to divide 2 and 2/3. This is the problem. So we are going to divide now by 2 and 2/3. So 3 and 4 15s divided by 2 1/3. Convert to improper fraction. So 3 and 4/5 divided by 2 1/3 is equal to 15 3s 45 plus 4 equals 49. 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7 over 3. Invert divisor. So we have 49 divided by 15 divided by 7 over 3 equals 49 over 15 times 3 over 7. So we invert the 7 over 3 to get 3 over 7. Cancel. Now 7 into 7 equals 1. 7 into 49 7. 3 into 3 1. 3 into 15 5. So we are left with 7 over 5 times 1 over 1. So now we multiply. 7 times 1 equals 7. 5 times 1 equals 5. Convert to improper fraction. 7 over 5 is equal to 7 divided by 5. And the answer is equal to 1 2/5.
Try for yourself and post the answer in the comments. 3 and 9 16 times 4 9s divided by 2 plus 6 1/4 times 1 and 1/5.